Hello and welcome to Panoramic Motors. Here today we have this beautiful 2018 BMW X2, which is an M Sport X model. It's a diesel auto xDrive in a lovely sunset orange. It's done just under 80,000 miles on the clock with a full main dealer service history with 7 stamps. It's in great condition inside and out. And it comes with a lovely £8,060 worth of factory fitted extras, which does include the lovely sunset orange colour, along with the 20-inch BMW M Sport alloys. Comes with full electric windows and mirrors, door locking, your light settings. Come with front electric seats with lumbar support, as well as your memory settings there as well. Does also come with the thigh extension at the front. And as you can see there, just under 80,000 miles there on the clock. Steering controls for your hands-free, cruise control with limiter. And on here, have your menu with your sat nav, media, so it's Bluetooth connectivity for your hands-free. So it's come with reverse parking sensor with parking camera. Those have your dual zone air control, climate control settings, along with your front heated seats. Do have 2 cup holders just behind here, along with 12-volt charging port. As mentioned, it is automatic, which you do have different driving modes, including Sport and Eco Pro. Parking sensors, hill assist, rain navigation for the screen there as well. Adjustable armrest with a little bit of storage there. If you do have a phone small enough, it does go back for you to be able to connect it into there as well, with a little bit more storage underneath there. Electric handbrake. Along with the fitted extras, you also get the panoramic roof, which is just up here, and the sunshade goes. One more press. Oops, I think I've got to hold on to this one. And sunroof opens. One press and it closes. And same again with the sun shield. Also, as mentioned earlier, it does come with just over £8,000 worth of factory fitted extras. This includes and not limited to the comfort pack. There's also come with a Vision pack, driver pack, the M Sport X pack, coded in the M Sport 20-inch alloys, the panoramic roof, as well as the sunset orange colour of the car. Just come with plenty more. If you don't want to see the full list of the extras, please visit our website at benmax.uk.com. A little bit more storage in the back of the front seats there as well. There's our 60-40 split on the back seats, with the centre armrest with 2 cup holders. As you can see, very clean and tidy, very well taken care of. No tears, no rips in any of the seats. Auto boot, with plenty of space, with extra space underneath there as well. And one button press, and that closes again for you. Slight privacy glass on the back. Again, electric windows. Been a very well taken care of car. It's got the locks, it's got the style, it's got the power. It's also got the extras. And there we are. Beautiful 2018 BMW X2 M Sport X edition. Diesel auto xDrive in a lovely sunset orange. 80,000 miles, full main dealer history with 7 stamps, 2 keys and 12 months warranty. You know what Ben Marks Motors. Thank you for watching.